Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Renault Captur that we've done a upgrade on a screen. So as you can see here, this is the piano black fascia, and what we've done is change the fitting kit around here and put this in. So at the moment I've actually got my phone plugged in. This will do Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, digital DAB radio, Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. We've then got the facility here for HDMI, AV, a number of different things that you can program. So I'm going to show you Apple CarPlay on here. So that's now into Maps, and I can then go into here. So we've got my telephone, we've got all the different stuff that Apple CarPlay will do. A lot of our customers are into sort of Spotify, use that, or Amazon Music. And obviously then it'll do the high definition apps like Tidal. And again, navigation side of things, Waze is very popular, but again, it'll do Waze, it'll do Google Maps, it'll also do Apple Maps. If you're an iPhone or if you're an Android user, then obviously it will do your Google Maps and a number of other other navigation apps. So for further information on upgrading your system in your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.